Hey guys, it's Chef Jason and welcome to Monday Minute Meals. Today, it is about the internet sensation. We are talking about, that's right, the folded quesadilla wrap, folded quesadilla thing. But I'll tell you what, it's all about Brinner. That's right, breakfast for dinner on the Blackstone. Super excited about this because I'll tell you what, who doesn't love coming home to like a folded quesadilla that's like oozing with cheese and fresh scrambled eggs and peppers and onions and bacon and sausage and more. So let's dive in. Let's talk a little bit about our ingredients super quick. We have a tiny bit of prep to do and then it's time to get over on that Blackstone. So we're gonna serve it today with salsa and sour cream because they go so fantastic with this dish. Now we're filling it with pre-cooked bacon. We have some sausage that is pre-cooked and ready to go. We also have a green pepper and yellow onion. Then a little bit of cheese, hash browns, and we'll top it with eggs. I'll tell you, super excited. Let's get in here, chop those peppers and onions, get started. Easy prep to start with. We've got to whisk these eggs. I've got 6 large eggs, so we'll go ahead and get those cracked. You get bonus points too if you can do the one-handed crack and get it in the bowl. I get no bonus points at all for that. So we'll go ahead now. I like to pop those yolks and then whisk it up. Make sure they're fully incorporated and we'll set them aside. All right, next up, we are heading into chopped peppers and onions. We've got to get these guys all set and ready to go, so we'll get that green pepper open. Now, we're gonna take out the center part, that pith and those seeds. I literally pop my fingers in there like that, give it a little twist, and they come right out. So we'll get this set. Now, I will tell you this, my other chef's tip of the day, the smaller you cut the peppers and the smaller you cut the onions, it's gonna make a huge difference because smaller peppers and onions cook faster. So get this all finished, and then we move right into the onion next. All right, set to go. We'll get this in our bowl. All right, that is good. Now we move into the yellow onion. Get this guy peeled. And you know, there's no way to pick onions that don't make you cry. So there is quite a good opportunity here that you might see a little tears out of the big guy. But tell you what, get them chopped nice and fast. All right, so we get that all chopped. I'm gonna julienne these guys as well, nice and thin, because the thinner they are, the faster they cook. Okay, the secret, before we get over to the grill and start cooking, we're basically gonna cut to the middle of this tortilla and then make one slice. Now, if you check this out, we're basically making this so we can fold it once, twice, 3 times. So that's what we're doing, all right? All right, so we are gonna get situated here and get our stuff moving. So first thing I like to do, like I said, meat department, we're gonna put the sausage and the bacon here, get these guys heating up, because everything that goes into this quesadilla, we want hot, so it helps everything melt nice and fast. Next, we'll do a little bit of oil here, some of the peppers and onions. All right, we'll get those guys set as well, right there. The beauty is we're gonna cook everything, put that tortilla together, we will be good to go. Now, a little bit of oil here for the hash browns because crispy hash browns are fantastic. So I like to push those hash browns down onto the griddle so they form a nice little crispy patty, and then they'll cook a lot faster as well. Let's give these hash browns a quick flip here, see what we've got. A little bit of brown to get us started, but I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and move these guys over, get them right there into a nice little pile. We'll get this cleaned up here into the back of the Blackstone. Now, I'll tell you what, if you don't have a Blackstone, you can do it on anything for sure. So let's go ahead, little pile of oil here and those eggs stirred up. Get those guys poured on there nice and fast, and we'll get them all scrambled. All right. Now, I don't like the eggs cooked too much, right? I don't want them to overcook. So what I'll do, let those guys sit there for a second. And now, let's set this guy here. Quesadilla time. So we'll throw that tortilla down, let that warm up for just a minute. And like I said, we are gonna have a blast here building this. All right, we'll add that cheese on there, get that all situated and ready to go. Now we're gonna add a little bit of peppers and onions on this quadrant, potatoes on this guy, sausage and bacon right here. Get that all set and ready to go. A little bit of those scrambled eggs are going right here. Now, here's the magic. We're gonna fold that onto the peppers. Turn that a little bit. Push that down so it is set We're going there onto the sausage, turn it. We're going there onto the potatoes. Now we're gonna let this cook, get all nice and brown, tasty and delicious. Yeah, I'll tell you what, breakfast is for dinner. That is a fact. Now, I will tell you what, if you're wondering where you can grab more of these recipe videos, be sure to click your post notifications and subscribe to our Ace Hardware YouTube channel. That's where you'll find all this amazing content and more from your friends at Ace. Now, I have to quality control this, and honestly, the only question I have right now is, was this the mild or hot salsa? I don't remember, but I went ahead, look at that, look at that. How fantastic is that? Tasty, melty, little delicious, heavenly thing. So we'll get in there, grab a little bit of salsa. Cheers. Yeah, that was the hot salsa. Ooh, that was definitely the hot salsa.